The flavor of a particular food in your mouth.
Taste. Taste. I love the taste of garlic.
The way two people or groups feel about and behave towards each other.
Relationship. Relationship. He has a very good relationship with his father.
To put a piece of equipment somewhere and make it ready for use.
Install. Install. The plumber is coming tomorrow to install the new washing machine.
A person who takes care of animals or is in charge of valuable objects, a building, etc.
Keeper. Keeper.
A zookeeper.
Willing to give other people money, help, kindness, etc.
Generous. Generous.
She's been very generous with her time.
Approximate and not exact.
Rough. Rough. Can you give me a rough idea of the numbers?
Music written and played in a traditional style.
Folk. Folk.
There are several venues for folk and jazz in the city.
To do something more quickly.
Hurry. Hurry. Hurry up or we'll miss the train.
To put a computer program onto a computer so that the computer can use it.
Install. Install. Andrew, can you help me install this software?
Easy to use or suiting your plans well.
Convenient. Convenient.
A bike's a very convenient way of getting around.
A rough surface is not smooth.
Rough. Rough. Rough ground.
To arrange to have a seat on an aircraft, a room in a hotel, etc.
Reserve. Reserve. I reserved a double room at the Lamb Hotel.
Near or easy to get to.
Convenient. Convenient.
My new house is more convenient for the station.
To not allow people to use something because it is only for a particular person or for a particular purpose.
Reserve. Reserve. This space is reserved for ambulances only.
A number or letter that shows how good someone's work or performance is.
Grade. Grade.
Carla got a grade A in German.
The need to move or do things more quickly than normal.
Hurry. Hurry. Are you in a hurry to leave?
Short for goalkeeper.
Keeper. Keeper.
The keeper intends to stay with the club until the end of next season.
A large, formal meeting, often lasting a few days, where people discuss their work, politics, subjects they are studying, etc.
Conference. Conference. The annual sales conference.
The quality of being beautiful.
Beauty. Beauty. This is an area of outstanding natural beauty.
To have a particular flavor.
Taste. Taste. This sauce tastes strange.
A short time after or before something.
Shortly. Shortly. I got home at midnight and James arrived shortly afterwards.
The traditional style of art, dancing, etc. among a particular group of people.
Folk. Folk.
She studied the folk art of the region.
To put food or drink in your mouth to find out what flavor it has.
Taste. Taste. Taste this sauce and tell me if it needs any salt.
A sexual or romantic friendship.
Relationship. Relationship. Are you in a relationship at the moment?
Usually, or in most situations.
Generally. Generally. I generally wake up early.